I'm Anil Kumar, and in this video we will try to understand how to write equation of a trigonometric function from given key points. Question here is, state the period, amplitude and equation of axis for the trigonometric function that produces the following table of values. Then use this information to write the equation of the function. So we are given 5 key points for x and y. If x is 0, y is minus 2. For pi it is 4, 2 pi minus 2, 3 pi minus 8. And at 4 pi the value of y is minus 2. So as we can see from here, the value of the function is minimum at minus 8 and maximum at 4. And also, to start with, at 0 it starts with minus 2, it increases to 4, comes down to minus 2, further goes down to minus 8, and then comes back to minus 2. We can kind of sketch it. So let's say we begin by minus 2, go to 4, come down to minus 2, then to minus 8, and back to minus 2. So that gives you the idea of the graph of the function, right? So axis is the point, the line which goes through the middle point, right? So middle points in this case are minus 2, right? So what we can do here is we can draw the coordinate axis. So that becomes y, this is x for us, right? Now I should not say x for us, this is the axis symmetry. X will be somewhere else, we'll figure it out. Okay, so this is actually minus 2 for us. It starts at minus 2, goes to 4, so this is 4 for us, and then comes back to minus 2, goes to minus 8, so that is minus 8, and then back to minus 2. So this is minus 2. So obviously x is somewhere, x-axis is somewhere between minus 2 and 4. So it is 2 units from here, so it should be kind of like this. So that is the x-axis, right? I mean to say 0 is here for us. Now, so that is the function which we are looking into. It begins with minus 2 at 0, goes to 4, comes back to minus 2, goes down to minus 8, which is also the minimum value, and then gets back to minus 2. So that is how it is, okay? Now we need to write period, amplitude and equation of axis. So what we observe here is that maximum value for the function is 4, minimum value is minus 8, and one full period is from 0 to 4 pi, right? So these times in between are, this is 0, and then we have pi gives us 4, and at this value, which is 2 pi, let me write here, we get minus 2. At 3 pi we have 8 with minus sign, and at 4 pi the value is again minus 2. After that it is going to repeat, right? So therefore the time period t is equals to 4 pi. Now if time period is 4 pi, k will be equals to 2 pi by t, which is equals to 2 pi by 4 pi, or you can say half. So k is half for us. So when I'm saying k, I'm really considering transformed equation of the form y equals to, since it begins with initial position on the axis, I'll prefer to write it in sine form. So it will be a times sine k x minus p plus q, right? Now we know k, which is half. Amplitude, let us find. So to find amplitude, what should we do? To find amplitude, we need to take difference of maximum and minimum and divide by 2. So amplitude is maximum minus minimum divided by 2. In this case it is 4 minus 8 divided by 2, which is 4 plus 8, 12, divided by 2 is 6. So the amplitude is 6. Axis, which is q for us, so we can say axis, which is q, is equals to maximum plus minimum divide by 2. So in this case it is 4 plus minus 8 divided by 2, which is minus 4 divided by 2 or minus 2. So x is at minus 2, as you can see from here. So we know all the parameters, and the shift is, since sine wave starts from 0, p is 0 for us. So we can write p equals to 0. So that gives us all the values, and so our answer is that the equation is y equals to a is 6 sine, k is half, x, p is 0, plus q for us is minus 2. So let me write this, minus 2. So that is the equation for the given function. So that's how you can get your equation. Thank you.